Hi everybody, Belinda here. Welcome back. Today I'm going to try a new technique that I've come up with, or thinking of coming up with. So I've just cut off a little cup here, just a small size, and we're working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas. So I have my white here. I'm going to lay down. Now I've tried to actually thin it. Hopefully it's thin enough. So I'll lay down my white and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so the colors I'm using today, I think I'm just going to put this right here. So I'm using bright magenta, and I think that was Liquitex Basics, and I'm using gold, and Cyan Blue, and then I have just normal Liquitex Basics Magenta, and Turquoise. And I'm going to finish that off with more gold, and I'm going to pour it straight into the center. Right, so that should be enough paint. We'll get rid of that. Ooh. I'm thinking that my paint could be a little bit too, my white paint could be a little bit too thick for what I'm doing, but let's get cracking. So those are beautiful colors. Now I'm going to call this the splash technique. I probably do need a stronger cup. Okay. Well, let's go. Right on there. A whole heap of it came off over here, and it actually looks so pretty. So I think what I'm going to do, try and do, just put that back. Torch. must say it feels very satisfying and therapeutic. And then just hold the canvas and bang it. Just tilt it around a bit. I'm going to give it another bang. I think that looks quite nice actually. Quite minimalistic. And I'll give that another torch. Make sure I get enough cells coming up. There's no silicone in my paint, guys. And then I'll bring you in for a close-up. Okay guys, I am really loving the effects that this is giving. There's some pretty cool cells. And I love this pink, the pink there that's in the blue. I love all that lacing. All in all, I think it actually has given some pretty awesome results. Even though this is just predominantly blue, well, it looks like it on the camera, there's quite a bit of pink that's popping through. I'll show you in a minute with the lights off. And of course that gold there is shining up beautifully. I see maybe a dolphin there, I'm not sure. And show you the side here. There's quite a lot of cells. Okay, let me put the light off. See how much better it is. Not a lot better. Well guys, that's my splash technique, and if you give it a go, have fun, enjoy doing it. It does actually feel very therapeutic. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.